Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10, 4th generation. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and public transport. Firstly, let's enter loyalty and select card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Let's go back, and now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. Simply select public transport from the list. And now if you are able to find your public transport, enter it. You will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards would be right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.